To do a double threaded back stitch, you want to start with a back stitch. Bring your needle up through the back of your work. Go 1 stitch length forward. Go another stitch length forward and bring your needle up. And then take your needle down in the hole that your previous stitch went down in. And just continue that along the line. Once you get to the end of the line, bring your needle up to one side of the final stitch. And then since I brought the thread out on the top of the line here, I'm going to take my needle from the top of this next stitch and slide it under. Pull that down. And now my thread's on the bottom of the line, so we're going to go into the next stitch from the bottom and slide the needle under from the bottom to the top. And just continue that along the line. And I'm only going to go about halfway here because I want to show you using a different color thread on the other half. So once you get to the end of the line, you then see now my thread's at the bottom. Now I'm going to take it back up through the previous stitch, and I'm going the opposite direction now. So that one's going to go up, and then I'm going to go down in this one. And then up through the next one. I'm just sliding under those back stitches again in the opposite direction. And then once you get to the last stitch here, just pretend like you're going to slide it under, but actually go under and then through to the back to secure it. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side using a different color thread. So now I'm coming in with my other color thread, and I'm just going to do the same thing as I did when it was all one color. So I just wanted to stop and show you, if you wanted to do just a threaded back stitch, that's what that would look like right there without going back the other direction. And then since I'm doing a double threaded back stitch with a different color, I'm going to bring in my third color here and then go back in the opposite direction. So I'm at the bottom, slide it up to the top, and just keep going through those green stitches that were the back stitches that we made before. And that's how you would do a double threaded back stitch with all one color or with 3 different colors.